Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I currently have layers and layers of satin scarves on my head. I'm trying to, what's it called? I slicked my hair back, so I'm trying to make sure that it lays flat. Today, I'm going to be doing the Google Pix My Makeup Challenge. Guys, let me tell you guys, the first time that I saw this challenge, it was Nikkietutorials. She actually started this particular challenge that I'm going to be doing in this video. I kind of assumed that the challenge was about something else completely because the look that she had on the thumbnail looked so much like the Google logo. So I just assumed that the look was inspired by the Google logo. It is so not what it is. A lot of people have gone on to do this since then, Patricia, Yuki, and a lot of other YouTubers. So basically it's actually really fun. What you have to do is to go on Google and you key in the first letter of your first name and the first letter of your surname and then paste look. Okay, I'm going to show you guys a little demo of me doing it somewhere down here on the screen, and then you go straight to images, and then the first picture that comes up, that particular image inspires the entire look. We have a fridge. I don't even know why I'm not surprised that it's a fridge. Why couldn't it be something exciting? Fridge. Okay, this fridge is the most ambiguous fridge that I've ever seen in my life because it's saying here magic chef refrigerator stainless look. So these three, they look gray, like stainless gray, and I would have been really excited if at least the fridge that I got, it looked like the ones around it. This is probably a quality thing. This fridge probably looks way different like in real life than it looks in this picture, but I want to stay true to the image that I got. So this isn't gray, you know, this is more of like an off-white, very light gray shade. So that is what I am going to try to do. I'm going to try and spice it up somehow, but then there's a lot of black, so I'm going to be doing a very like off grayish white look with some serious black in it. So I've done my brows to speed things up, and I feel like my hair is so flat that my head is beginning to look like a round ball, but it's okay. So I'm going to prime. I'll be using my MAC Prep and Prime 24-hour Extend Eye Base. This is basically just going to prevent oil from coming through, and it's going to help my eyeshadow last all day. So the first color that I'm going to use is from my Sephora Pro Pigment palette, the warm one, and I'll be using this shade here as my transition shade. This is my MAC 224. With my Sigma E45, I'm going to go in with this black shade here. My Zoeva 225. Okay, so for this look, I want to create a sharp cut crease. So I want a demarcation. I really want an obvious demarcation between this black and whatever I have on my lid. So I'm going to go on ahead and carve out my lid space now. I'll be using my Colourpop No Filter Concealer. So for my lid color, first I'm going to go in with this eyeshadow from Colourpop. This one is called Tassel. It's a white with a lot of shimmer in it, and it's going to be my base. I'm going to apply something a lot more silver over it, but I feel like this as a base would help me get something really close to that fringe. This brush is too big. I'm going to switch to something a lot flatter. So to add the silver, I'll be using this product from Stila. It is their Stila Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. And this one is in Diamond Dust. So I'm going to apply this all over this situation that I have right here. I'm going to go in with a small pencil brush and the black that we used earlier. And I'm going to use this to just intensify the black that I have in my crease. So I'm going to line my upper lash line. I'm just hoping that this goes well. It's going to be a very big dramatic line, but I will not wing it out. I'll be using my Pixi pen liner. Yeah, this is my favorite pen liner at the moment. So I'm going to take an angled brush, and this one is by Sigma. It's the E65 and the same black eyeshadow, and I'm going to just apply this over the black liner. Quickly, I'm going to apply some mascara. This is my Clinique high length mascara. So this pair of lashes that I got from AliExpress, I ordered a couple of things from AliExpress and I just added this. They were selling for like $2 a pack. And I don't know, I haven't worn them yet, so we'll see how they look now. But AliExpress is fast becoming that place where I just go to waste my money. Really quickly, I'm going to line my waterline. I'll be using the Maybelline Kajal eyeliner. So really quickly, I'll do my foundation and concealer and contour off camera because I do this in literally every video and you guys are probably used to all of that by now. And in addition, they don't really add anything to this video, like to this challenge. So I'll do that off camera and then I'll come back and like, you know, do my lips and blush and all the other things that have color in them. I'll do them here on camera. So, okay, I'm back and I'm just going to take a quick look at my fridge. I don't know. It's looking like it's, I don't know. It looks similar to what I have on right now on my eyes, but on steroids, you know? Okay, so we're going to continue. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to smudge some of the black eyeshadow that I have on my crease. I'm going to smudge it on my lower lash line. So under that black, I am going to take the same color that I used. As my transition shade, I'm going to smudge this underneath the black. So I'm going to apply some mascara to my bottom lashes. So for this look, I'm going to be using a blush by Zoeva. It's from the Aristo palette and I'll be using this one. No, not this one. I'll be using this one, so yeah. For this look, I wanted to keep all the drama on the eyes. If I wanted to go all out, I'll probably like use a black lip color just to tie the whole black and gray silver thing together, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to use a nude lip color to finish everything up. So I'm going to line my lips with MAC Lip Pencil in Chestnut. So my lipstick for this look is from Sigma and this is a lipstick in Barley Blooming. Okay, so I'm going to apply a gloss over this and this is Colourpop's Fairly Floss. Guys, I cannot believe that I forgot highlighter. I cannot even believe it right now. I'm going to be using this one by Yanga Beauty. It's a powder highlighter. This one is in the shade Kporkish. So I hope you enjoyed this. Thumbs it up if you liked it and share it as well. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. If I had known the life I was searching for was already my own. I don't know how to speak Yoruba, please.